Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Krystal Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Krystal Wallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Krystal Wallet application. Make sure that you're logged into your account and the home page of Krystal Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. If we go ahead and look up for your settings menu, you will not be able to find your wallet logout button. So if you want to log out of your wallet, you will first need to lock your wallet. For that, tap on settings button at top right hand corner and from the settings menu, tap on change PIN option. Make sure that you have enabled your security PIN option for your Krystal Wallet, and once you have done that, you can now force close your application. Simply swipe up and push off the application card upwards. Once you force close the application, you will now need to get back to Krystal Wallet, and this time you will be prompted to enter your PIN code or unlock your wallet with Face ID as long as you remember your 6-digit passcode. This is the only way you can easily log out or enable similar effects as logout on your Krystal Wallet application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.